video is about visitor visa refusals. We have a lot of clients that call us and panic and basically say, I don't understand. My visitor visa has been refused. I genuinely want to just come to Canada and visit. And I always tell them, I understand that's your purpose, but there are some common documents that the officer looks for. You still, unfortunately, have an obligation to prove to the officer several components on the visitor visa applications. So, for example, your intent. The reason you're coming to Canada has to be fleshed out. Your financial situation, not the fact that you can only travel to Canada, but also have enough means to support yourself inside Canada, and then also have enough money to exit the country after your visit. Your travel history is very important. So if you've traveled to other countries, you want to include that in your application, because if you haven't overstayed your welcome in those countries, the likelihood is that you won't overstay in this country. If you do get a refusal and you wish to fight it, you do have the right to file for judicial review. The judicial review application, I only encourage to clients that can say that the officer truly made an error of facts, meaning you've presented all the facts to the officer, you've thoroughly explained everything to the officer, and unfortunately, the refusal was still issued to you. So if you truly believe that you provided a thorough invitation letter, a thorough purpose of travel, good financial documentation, travel history, etc., and you still got the refusal letter, then I highly encourage you to file for the judicial review. Letting it go and refiling it is only recommended if you can look at the application you submitted and you say, you know what, the officer could be right. I may have not provided this document. I may have not provided my significant ties back home. I may have not provided all my financial documents, etc. In that case, it really doesn't make sense to appeal the matter, instead refiling it. If you have questions about how you can refile the visitor visa or potentially appeal it, please do give us a call today. Thank you. Until next time.